Hi everyone, welcome back to the Touch to Click channel. Today we'll show you how to delete frequent contacts in Google Chat and quickly clean up contacts you no longer need. This video explains the process step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser, go to the Google Chat website and make sure you're logged into your account so changes are saved correctly. Step 2. Check the left panel where all your chats and frequent contacts are displayed for quick access. Step 3. Hover your mouse over the frequent contact you want to remove to reveal more options. Step 4. Click Open Detail View for that contact to see more information linked to Google Contacts. Step 5. Click the Open in New tab icon at the top to open the contact in Google Contacts. Step 6. On the Google Contacts page, click the delete icon to remove the contact. Step 7. Click Move to Trash to confirm and clear the frequent contact from Google Chat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful videos.